Sa tulong ng kanilang bagong head coach na si Jeff Carriazo, punteriya ng Blackwater Bossings na makuha ang buena manong panalo sa kanilang unang laro sa PBA Commissioner's Cup ngayong Miyerkules sa PhilSports Arena. Ang detalye ay hahatid sa atin ni Darren Oclares ng PTV Sports.
Papasok na sa bagong season ng Blackwater Bossings na magsisimula ng kanilang kampanya sa PBA 48 Season Commissioner's Cup ngayong Miyerkules. Balak ng kalimutan ng Bossings ang nakakapanlumo nilang performance sa uling dalawang conference kung saan nakapagtala lamang sila ng 4 na panalo. Kaya target ng pinakabagong head coach ng Blackwater na si Jeff Carriazo na simulan ang winning culture sa kupunan. Pero aminado si Carriazo na hindi ito agad na mangyayari sa loob ng isang conference.
We're really trying to slowly turn and improve the culture that we have here because we feel like for you to start winning on the court, you have to have that winning mentality. And that's what we're trying to embark with the guys and share with them.
Sa panguna ng mga veteran players tulad ni Troy Rosario, Baser Amer at JV Casio, sabi ni Carriazo kakayanin ng Bossings na makipagsabayan sa mga powerhouse PBA teams.
They are crucial because they lead the way. They're crucial because we rely on them. And they're crucial to what we're doing, what we're changing, what we're trying to build and improve.
Magiging alas din ni Carriazo ang kanilang second overall draft pick na si Christian David.
We feel like he is going to be able to contribute. He is going to have the opportunity to play right away. So we're expecting him to contribute right away.
Unang makatapat ng Bossing sa Miyerkules sa PhilSports Arena ganap na alas 4 ng hapon ang Converge 5 Rexers. Darren Oclares para sa Bayan.